Good morning everyone. We are going into June very soon and I want to get prepared for the new month, set intentions and just feel really refreshed and fresh for the new month. This is just like a monthly reset kind of vibe. I'm going to start by cleaning my room. It's not actually too bad today, guys. It's usually a state, but it's not that bad. I've caught it before it gets too bad, so I'm proud of that. Now that I've cleaned my room, it feels really like big in here. I got this for my birthday. It's a self-kindness jar, so it gives you little activities to do for yourself, for self-care. Yeah, self-care and kindness. So what I'm going to do each month now is set an intention for myself and like self-kindness to myself and self-care. I'm going to pick a note out of here and follow it for the month. So I'm just gonna go around. Whatever it is, I'm gonna take it into consideration for the month of June and set an intention on what I want to do for myself. So this one is switch off your phone, allow yourself the time to relax and unwind. Technology and its notifications can wait. Sorry about the lighting, what is going on? But yeah, I want to stay off my phone a lot more anyway, so this is perfect. I want to start getting up and like when I wake up in the morning, get up out of bed and not sit down on my phone for an hour, you know? So I can start by doing that and then stay off my phone a lot more. I've also thought recently as well, this kind of perfect timing. I also thought the other weekend that once a week I want to delete all social medias and like reset for the new week and stay off my phone, because I only really go on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube, so I just stay off them for the day and I feel so much more refreshed. And I only did it for one day and I was like, yeah, this is nice. I feel like I'm off my phone a lot more. So yeah, that is a good intention. I'm going to keep this out so I remember it. So I do bullet journaling. So every month I do a new theme and for the new month and do a new calendar and everything. So I'm going to do the month of June now. I've already done the layout, but it's all in like really faint pencil. So I'm just going to show you it when I'm done. This is by far my favourite design theme I've ever done for my journal. I don't know what it is about it, but it's just so cute. Look how like simple it is as well. First of all, the colours are everything and it's just so pretty. This, oh my god, I'm so impressed with myself. I really love this. I always wanted to do like the flowers on the top and then upside down on the bottom. I've seen it quite a lot on Pinterest and stuff and I absolutely love it. So I have my habits over here. Exfoliate, film for YouTube, go to the gym, hair mask, face mask, read, and I need to find another one because it really frustrates me that that's, you know, not filled in. And then I've got a notes, so if it's too big to go in one of these boxes for the day, I'll write it in here. And then I've got my YouTube page, so these are my vlogs. Vlogs go up on Friday and then videos go up on Sunday. And then I've got some ideas, so if I write down the content that I've got planned and I've decided actually I don't want to do that, I can put an idea in here and then I can write down goals for the month of June for my YouTube channel. And then this is a positive words page, so each week I am going to write something positive. So for example, here I wrote some things are coming together. It may be a slow process, but you are going to get to the goals you are waiting for. You're going to be thriving this summer. Keep up the hard work and keep going. So that kind of example, that's May. So yeah, I love it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so like summer, spring vibe as well. I'm really excited to start on the fresh pages now. So I'm just going to go through and write down any events or anything I've got going on in the month of June, and then I'm going to write down the videos that I've already got planned. all done. I was writing down what I have to do this month, next month, and I don't really have much going on. I have a holiday at the end of the month. I'm going to the Canary Islands, so that'll be really nice, so I will be vlogging that. And it's Ben's birthday, so I need to prep for that also, but besides that I haven't really got much going on. So that's really my plans for next month. Just prepping for Ben's birthday and then prepping for the holiday, which I am so excited to prep for. I've already got all of my clothes. I'm just waiting for one more order to come in, and then I'm going to film a clothing haul, a holiday clothing haul, so it's even more interesting than just a normal one. I've got a video idea for every upload, so every Friday and Sunday for June, but will it happen? I'm not too sure, because I always change my mind last minute, or I don't want to film it, I don't feel like filming it, and I'd rather not film something if my heart's not in it, because the video usually ends up kind of crap. Yeah, very exciting. I'm very excited to start this new month. It feels like it's going to be good. I don't know what or why, but it just feels good vibes, so hopefully it follows through. Right, shower time. I have been using this, where is it, hair mask from Lush. It's called Roots. I've only used it once, but I'm so excited to use it more. I feel like it's helping already. I had my hair blonde. I absolutely loved it, but I feel like my hair was quite unhealthy with it. Like the ends would get dry quickly, and I didn't really know how to look after it, because obviously with blonde hair you've got to like bleach it and like tone it a lot. It's a lot of work, it's a lot of high maintenance, so I'm repairing my hair at the moment, and I feel like this is really helping me. But I used so much last time. I don't think I need to use that much, but I literally like used half of it in one go. I think I got a bit too excited, but I don't think I need that much. Right, shower time. Ignore my hair, it's still drying. I don't like brushing it when it's still wet, because it hurts and it rips all my hair out. So it is dinner time now. I recently did meal prep, so I'm going to put some footage in of me doing my meal prep, but I'm uploading a meal prep video that goes through the whole process of the meal prep. It has recipes involved and all of that, so that goes into a lot more detail. But yeah, enjoy. And there you have it. We have chicken Caesar salad, Cajun chicken pasta and poke bowl. I had pasta yesterday. I'm tempted to do it again, but I'm not going to. I'm going to try my chicken Caesar salad. This is what it looks like. Kind of looks gross. And I'm also going to make myself a cocktail. I got a cocktail making kit not long ago and I am completely obsessed. That's magical. Look at it! This is a passion fruit martini. Okay, I've cut up all the chicken now. Here's my fat salad. Don't mind if I do. Right, I'm going to enjoy my dinner and my drink. I feel like it's really important to set for the new month coming in. Just give yourself time to like reflect on the past month and relax and have time for yourself and set intentions for the new month coming in. I'm really excited for June. It feels like it's going to be a good month, so I'm going to keep on with that mindset and I hope June is good to you too. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to see more of me. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.